We're going to move out to A1 now. It's into A1. We've got Leo's SD-Saurus upscale, and this is on a C65. A1 is selected. Good tone, going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Absolutely one of the most beautiful flyers. Any fans of Thingiverse, Leo's Saurus upscale and his Nike Smoke are absolutely I've got Leo's SD Star Trek resin print. Interesting. So move up to A1. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Definitely got the up part right.
No, I'm up to the side.
And that one's going to be safely down in front of us. So I'm going to move out to A5. On A5, I've got Jonathan Hill's Dart 29. This has got a GPS and altimeter, and it's on an F15 to an E12.8. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2. Wow, we're having a bad run of it tonight. So we're going to move out to, now we have Leo, and Leo's got his Klima Auriga, and this has got 3 SPC65. Too bad you couldn't bring some Klima motors to test out here on the field. Unfortunately, that would be kind of hard to test. So we got A6 going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. while that's coming down, I'm going to test an igniter on A8. It's right there on the very end. Had some trouble getting it to light earlier, so I'm going to try and see if this is just a bad igniter or bad whatever. So here we'll go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wait. Pads are safe.
Ein erfolgreicher Flug. Oh, wow. And that was it. Done for today.